Welcome. Today, we're going to explore a key concept in statistics: influential points. We'll learn how to identify data points that have high leverage or are outliers and understand how they can strongly affect our regression analysis. First, let's quickly review what a regression line is. Think of it as a single straight line that best fits our data. Its main job is to show the relationship between two variables, and it allows us to make predictions. For example, we could use it to predict a student's exam score based on the hours they studied. Now, what is an outlier? An outlier is a data point that is noticeably different from the others. In a graph, it's the point that seems out of place. When we draw our regression line, it will be far from the outlier, resulting in a large prediction error for that specific point. Next, we have high leverage points. These are data points that have an extreme X value, meaning they are far to the left or right of the other data points. Because of their position, they have the potential to act like a lever and pull the regression line towards them. So, what exactly is an influential point? It's a data point that has a major impact on the regression line. If you were to remove it, the slope of the line would change significantly. Influential points are typically both outliers and high leverage points combined. Let's summarize the three types of points we've discussed. First, an outlier is a point that has a large error, meaning it is far from the regression line vertically. Second, a high leverage point has an extreme X value. And third, an influential point is one that actually causes a big change in the regression analysis, and it's often a combination of the first two. How can we spot these points in our data? The simplest way is to create a scatter plot and visually check for any points that seem unusual. For a more technical approach, we can calculate a point's leverage statistic. We can also use a metric called Cook's distance, which directly measures how much the regression model changes if a point is deleted. Once you've found an influential point, what should you do? First, investigate it. It could be a simple typo or a valid but rare event. If it's an error, you should correct it or remove it. If the point is legitimate, you might consider using a different type of regression that is less sensitive to such points. Either way, it's important to report its existence and its effect on your model. To wrap up, remember that influential points can have a huge effect on your regression analysis. They are usually both outliers and high-leverage points. Before you finalize any model, you should always check for these points using graphs and statistical measures like Cook's distance. Understanding them is key to building accurate and reliable models.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.